The Mega Micro Chuck is a collet chuck with a slim body and nut design for high-speed machining and reduced interference. The Mega Micro Chuck has a balanced design and is equipped with a notch-free nut for high-speed applications. The smaller the cutter diameter, the more significant runout becomes. Standard just-fit collets with 4/1000 increments provide accurate and repeatable runout. Depending on your needs, there are two types of holder bodies, a taper type and a straight type. Let us show you a cutting operation with a Mega 3S chuck with a 394/1000 nut diameter. First is spot drilling at 20,000 RPM. Next is drilling with a 40/1000 cutter, 157/1000 deep. Last is rib milling with a 28/1000 tapered end mill. This application forms ribs 20/1000 square, removing 1/1000 per step down to 157/1000. Mega Micro Chuck's slim and balanced design provides a solution for high-speed machining and a reduction in tool holder interference issues.